Alright teams, you ready? On your mark.
When we went in the first challenge and then we said that Ardell was going to start it against Ava, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel good about that. I said, alright then, I've seen Ava run at the gym. Probably still a little chance.
First thing, I don't like running. So when I hear it says running, I say, cheese and peace. So I say, alright, you know what? Make me go first. Like how done my strong point now. Non-stop. Make me go first and get out of the way.
Go!
Go.
I'm not sure if I'm glad I was the first leg. But hey, it's a team spirit, so whichever leg I go on, it's still a team effort.
Ava is always complaining. When she heard that she had to do a relay, it was like, oh my God. I guess I have to do this.
Race start. See, Ava took off. I said, shh, we can't catch her back.
Ava can run now. How on a full Ava can run. Me see when Ava exercise with Siobhan and she put on a piece of sprinting them if it comes so. Ava that she can run.
Why the road run after so long? Yeah, it long. Cause when me reach the corner, me bus long time.
Ava that you know. Once you see her, you show her the finish line, she give up fast.
She started out well, and then Ava to slow down.
That is why we did the wheelbarrow last week. I said to her, say, Ava, keep the behind you. If she continue, because if she ever thinks that she soon reach, she'll go quit. I tell you, our sickness.
And then we run. When I turned the corner and I saw the remaining distance, I said, no, I wonder if I can reach.
At one point I had to be running uphill, which I really don't like jogging for that length of period.
Blue team, I have this one here. I want to get that one here. I can't manage them running something right. I don't trust me. But I hear pop on here. I think everybody have them fear of the challenges to come. That was my fear. The road race, the jogging or whatever, anything for the running. Because the truth about it, because me always say, blue team, I throw word for me if I say, me have a sham with my foot. No, my foot sprain.
Y'all know I can't run, right? I work out, I jog. But I don't do the relay and speed thing. You know that, right? Okay. Alright.
Even though Jay says she can run, I know Jay can run. Because remember, I train her, I see what she can do. Sometimes, you know, they would doubt themselves, but I will push them.
If I watch him run out, if I don't want to recharge, then me see all of them go around Eva. I say, oh Jesus, I hate this now. Eva give me last. The way Eva tired, Eva never run and touch me, no. Eva walk and touch me. So when me look, a turtle at Mrs. Stacy, you know. Kind of have a piece of running there, you know. Him turn on him generator for me and the turtle gone. Not to mention Jade, because she get touched first, she gone, she there hit a turtle. And then Andre stays so gone. I said, Jesus.
Running the race, I don't really have much difficulty in doing that. So that was good for me. I mean, the length between where I was and to get to the other partner, while I was there, it looked short, but actually running it, you realize how long it was. But besides that, it was good for me.
When we see Jada run, I became a cheerleader because I just want to make sure so we're getting it in. So Burger Man come in and I'm like, Jesus, we don't know. Burger Man leapt, he ran, he did. I'm telling you, I don't know where Burger Man gets so much energy from.
I said, God, foot on a foot, you know. Me nah make this happen. And me come so, I tell him, man, I put down a piece of run in there. Run past the turtle, I say, bye-bye. And I Jade now, because she the way ahead of me. And I say, come now, Father God. Come on. I mean, hey. I see you have to run on the devil them sometime, you know. Run them down and beat them. God is good. I pay my tithes in the church a week, you know. God is good. Yeah, man.
Andre came to me at a speed. Andre was very fast on his leg. However, even though he was very fast on his leg, I was still the last person to get tagged. So, when I'm the last person to get tagged and everybody already reached the finish line, I just cruise and finish the race, you understand?
By the time I touch Marie had the final leg, but you can't put a big man against a young girl, you know, so she'll go up against Kim. So all of them give Kim last. Remember say Marie could have been Kim's mother. So Kim must run and left Marie. One thing.
When I saw where Marie took off before me for the relay, I was a bit worried because I heard that she do a lot of walking and she walk up hills and stuff like that. I'm like, how am I going to beat this? She have a lot of endurance. But then I remember that I said, no, Mama, I forgot she about it. And I don't know, the adrenaline of the camera and the excitement. And I said, all right, then Kim, the gym, they're right there, so just do it. One of the time I wanted to say, I'm so I'm tired. And I said, come, Kim. And I don't know where that extra energy came from. And I just pushed out at the end.
The race, coming to the last, the relay, I feel like Brett, they don't leave me.
Marie says so, and Kim comes up. Me don't know, I saw it go.
I was really tired at the end though. I tried to catch my breathing and I just rested, but it was good for that moment.
You should have first the race.
Yeah, but